This video demonstrates how to center text in an Excel workbook with Python's library OpenPyXL. Here we have our testing document where you can see cell C4 has some text in it, but the column is quite wide. The text is currently justified to the left, but I will show you how to use Python to center it within this cell. I begin by bringing in my workbook as WB and selecting my worksheet as WS. I will then be saving the work in the cell below. Centering text in a cell requires that you use the alignment object within OpenPyXL's styles module. You import it with the following: from openpyxl.styles import alignment. This alignment object receives the argument that allows us to center the text. Let me bring over the code that I've written in advance and explain how this works in detail. I start by accessing the alignment attribute of cell C4. I do this by using the square bracket notation on the worksheet object and passing my cell of interest, then specifying alignment as the attribute. I assign that attribute using the equal sign on alignment object. The alignment object takes many arguments, one of them being horizontal. Assigning the horizontal argument center will accomplish the task we have set out to complete. I will now go ahead and execute this cell. I will save the workbook, and then I will reopen to check the work. And here we can see we were successful. So as you can see, it is quite simple to do. You just need to bring in the alignment object from the styles module of OpenPyXL, access the alignment attribute of the cell of interest, and assign that attribute an alignment object, specifying as an argument horizontal equals center. Thank you for watching. Please do drop a comment below if this was a helpful video for you or if you have any questions about the content. Let me know what other features of OpenPyXL or just Python in general you would like to see reviewed in future videos. And please hit that subscribe button so that you can know when the next video releases.